Sawubona mfundi, ngiyakwamukela kulanga le-11 ele-21 Day Ndebele Challenge for Beginners, Day 11. Angithi, namuhla ngolwesingaki? Ngolwesingaki namuhla? So what does the question mean? It means what day is today? Angithi, so let's answer the question together. Namuhla ngolwesingaki? You want to say today is Tuesday. Uthini? Namuhla ngolwesibili. Angithi, how about today is Wednesday? Namuhla ngolwesithathu. Today is Saturday. Namuhla ngumgqibelo. Is it? How about today is Sunday? Namuhla yisonto. All right, are you getting that correct? Great, siyaqhubeka. How do you then ask the question, what day is tomorrow? Sithini ngesindebele. What day is tomorrow? Kusasa ngolwesingaki. It's simple. From namuhla ngolwesingaki, today. Kusasa ngolwesingaki. Angithi, let's answer that one. You want to say tomorrow is Monday. Kusasa ngumvulo. Angithi, how about tomorrow is Thursday? Kusasa ngolwesine. Tomorrow is Friday. What do you say? Kusasa ngolwesihlanu. Is that right? Tomorrow is Saturday. Kusasa ngumgqibelo. All right, I hope you are getting that correct. So yiwo amalanga eviki lawa angithi. So we're talking about the days of the week. Let's recite them together. Let's see if you know all the days of the week. Angithi, sithini? Umvulo, olwesibili, olwesithathu, olwesine, olwesihlanu, angithi, umgqibelo, and then isonto. All right, isonto. So you notice that when you're using them in sentences, umgqibelo and umvulo, they follow the same pattern. We say namuhla ngumvulo, namuhla ngumgqibelo. Angithi. Then the rest of them, olwesibili, olwesithathu, olwesine, olwesihlanu, what did we say? Namuhla ngolwesibili, namuhla ngolwesine. Angithi. Then Sunday was different. What did we say? Namuhla yisonto. Make sense? All right. Namuhla ngolwesingaki mfundi. You are watching this today. I don't know which day it is when you're finally hopping onto the challenge and you're on day 11. Let me know in the comments ukuthi namuhla ngolwesingaki. Sizabonana kusasa.